Hello everyone, welcome back to series French for Beginners. Today is lesson 22, colors. Let's get started. Let's learn some colors. And it is subdivided into singular, masculine, feminine, and plural, also masculine and feminine. For example, red is rouge in masculine and feminine. For plural, it's also rouge, but there is an S after rouge. Orange is a special case. There is no changes regarding to singular, masculine, or feminine, or even plural. For yellow is jaune, and it only changes the spelling when it is plural, and the pronunciation is the same, jaune. For green is vert and vert. For plural, the pronunciation is the same, but the spelling is different by S, vert and vet. Let's continue learning some more colors. Blue is bleu, bleu, and the pronunciation is the same for plural, but only the spelling is different. Same for every other colors. Purple is violet, violet, and white is blanc, blanche. Black is noir, noir. And for brown, it's a bit special because it doesn't changes according to singular, plural, masculine, or feminine. It stays the same, marron. For the colors, I want to bring out the adjective rules. For example, it is agreement with genders, masculine or feminine, agree with singular or plural, and it is usually located after the nouns. But remember, there is always exceptions to the above rules. Let's learn more about the adjective agreements by looking at some example sentences. For example, je cherche un chapeau noir. I'm searching for a black hat. Noir takes the masculine singular form because it's after chapeau, which is also masculine in singular form. Similarly, for tu portes des lunettes rouges, you wear red glasses. The adjective rouge is also agree with the lunette, feminine and plural. Let's take a look at some exception. For example, il a les yeux marrons. He has brown eyes. Marron, although after yeux, it doesn't take any changes. So this is an exception we need to remember. That's all for this lesson. Thank you for watching.